warning for waters from lower Atchafalaya River to intercoastal city Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Eugene Island 217, or 43 nautical miles southwest of Point Orford Island, moving south at 15 knots. Hazard, wave gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Eugene Island 224, Eugene Island 325, Eugene Island 243, Eugene Island 206, Eugene Island 306, Eugene Island 208, Ship Shell 224, Ship Shell 248, Eugene Island 295, Eugene Island 273, Eugene Island 251, Eugene Island 296, Eugene Island 252, Eugene Island 257, Eugene Island 258, South Marsh Island 78, Eugene Island 215, Eugene Island 259, Eugene Island 238,
how many
and
fucking
Eugene
locations
Island
are there?
275. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Bow.